Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very special sweet recipe, Paal Kozhukattai. This sweet is specially made during Vinayaga chaturthi. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of rice flour, a teaspoon of ghee. Always use homemade ghee for best taste and results. I've already made a video on how to make homemade ghee. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and give all the ingredients a good mix. Then start to add little hot water at a time and mix it well. Add water until you get a thick chapati dough consistency. Now we have the perfect consistency. Grease your hands with ghee and pull out a small portion and make small balls like this. Likewise, make all the balls and keep it ready. Now heat 1/4 cup of water in a pan. To this add 1 cup of jaggery. Mix it well in medium flame and make sure the jaggery is completely dissolved. Now it's ready. Keep this aside. Take another pan and heat 2 cups of water. When the water is nicely boiling, add the rice balls and slightly mix it. Make sure not to break the balls. Let this cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. Then to this add rice water mix. Mix a tablespoon of rice flour in 1/4 cup of water and your rice water mix should be ready. Give it a good mix and let this cook for another 5 more minutes. Then strain and add the jaggery water. Mix it well and let this again boil for 5 minutes. Finally add 1 cup of thick coconut milk and 2 cardamom crushed. Mix it well and off the flame. Now our Paal Kozhukattai is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and a delicious sweet recipe. So do try this Paal Kozhukattai recipe for this Vinayaga chaturthi at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.